1963, the height of the Cold War. Deep in the heart of Russia, in a remote and long-forgotten forest, something strange was happening. This is the story of the Woods of the Dead, where bizarre, long-forgotten experiments took place, forever shrouded in mystery and intrigue. The Soviet Union's clandestine operations during this period are infamous, but what lies hidden in these woods may be one of the strangest chapters in Russian history. The forest is located near the small town of Zelenogradska, just a stone's throw away from the closed city of Sverdlovsk, which housed a top-secret Soviet research facility known as VI. Recently declassified documents reveal that VIL was involved in some of the most cutting-edge research in the world during the Cold War. However, it is what lies hidden within the Woods of the Dead that has captured the imagination and curiosity of historians and scientists alike. The first clue to this mystery comes from an obscure reference in a declassified KGB file, which mentions Project W07, a secret research program carried out deep within the Woods of the Dead. The file is heavily redacted, but what can be gleaned from it is chilling. Project W07 was tasked with investigating the limits of human endurance and survival in extreme conditions. But this project was no ordinary scientific endeavor. The experiments conducted within the Woods of the Dead were so controversial and ethically dubious that they were buried in secrecy for decades, only coming to light now as a result of painstaking research and investigation. The few remaining documents paint a picture of a program that pushed the boundaries of human experimentation to their very limits. Prisoners from nearby gulags were brought to the Woods of the Dead, where they were subjected to grueling physical tests in sub-zero temperatures, exposed to deadly pathogens, and even subjected to radiation treatments. The exact purpose of these experiments remains a mystery, but some have speculated that they were part of a larger effort to develop biological weapons or to test the limits of human endurance in preparation for manned spaceflight. But there is more to the Woods of the Dead than just human experimentation. Locals speak of strange lights and eerie sounds emanating from the forest, and there are rumors of secret underground laboratories and hidden tunnels beneath its surface. One local researcher, Dr. Olga Ivanova, has spent years investigating these rumors, unearthing a trove of documents and artifacts that shed light on the strange goings-on in the Woods of the Dead. According to her research, the forest was home to a vast network of laboratories and testing facilities, all hidden beneath the dense foliage and guarded by armed soldiers. Dr. Ivanova's research has uncovered evidence of experiments involving not just humans, but also animals, plants, and even fungi. She believes that the Woods of the Dead were home to a veritable army of scientists, working around the clock to unlock the secrets of nature and harness them for military or scientific purposes. But despite her groundbreaking discoveries, many questions remain unanswered. What exactly was Project 07, and what other secrets lie hidden within the Woods of the Dead? The story of the Woods of the Dead is a fascinating glimpse into a world of secrecy and mystery, where science and espionage collide in unexpected ways. While many of its secrets may never be fully uncovered, the mere existence of this strange and remote forest serves as a reminder of the lengths to which nations will go to protect their most closely guarded secrets. The Strangest Experiment in Russian history is shrouded in secrecy, but the team behind it was as enigmatic as the research they conducted. The Woods of the Dead, located deep within a remote forest in Russia, was the site of this bizarre project. The lead scientist on the project was Dr. Anatoly Budker, a renowned physicist specializing in plasma physics and laser technology. Born in 1938, Budker graduated from Moscow State University with a degree in physics and went on to become one of Russia's most celebrated scientists. In 1970, he founded the Budker Institute of Nuclear Physics in Novosibirsk, where he conducted groundbreaking research on particle accelerators and plasma physics. Budker's team included a group of elite scientists from various fields, including biophysics, chemistry, and engineering. Among them was Dr. Viktor Kuznetsov, a biophysicist who specialized in electromagnetic fields and their effects on living organisms. Kuznetsov was born in 1940 and graduated from Leningrad State University with a degree in physics. He later went on to work at the Institute of Biophysics in Pushchino, where he conducted research on the effects of high-frequency electromagnetic fields on biological systems. The motivations behind the project are still unclear, but it is believed that the Soviet government was interested in exploring the potential applications of plasma physics and electromagnetism for military purposes.